Exclusive Doba Inc. offers. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we are taking a look at Doba Inc. So let's get into it. Now Doba is a online dropshipping website or dropshipping tool that allows you to find dropshipping products that you can go ahead and sell on your own website or your own page, your own Facebook page, TikTok shop, whatever, right? It's pretty cool. So again, link will be in the description below if you want to go ahead and sign up. If you sign up, you will be able to claim $50 in coupons. You will also gain even more discount codes that you can apply when you are purchasing one of the products from their library. So you can go ahead and save a bunch of money. So it's actually pretty simple. So here you can see I'm on the website, and here we can see it's supported by TikTok Shop, by Temu selections, and some other options as well. So here you've got Amazon selection, blowout sales, outdoor, indoor, different categories. So it's pretty cool. And these are some of the trending products that are available right now. A lot of people are, drop shipping these products within the US, and it works pretty much everywhere. So you're good to go. All right. You can see we've got outdoor, indoors, we've got Android TVs, shower heads, solar panels, we've got shades for the front door or windows, and a bunch of different options to go ahead and select, right? So you can go ahead and select whichever one you want, and then you can click on add to inventory, and you can go ahead and click on add to inventory, but you need to go ahead and sign up, and it's not free, but you can go ahead and get started with the trial over here. And if you click the link in the description below, you will be able to easily sign up as well as get a massive discount as well. So it's pretty cool. But once you've signed up, you should be good to go. As you can see, I'm already signed in, and these are all the integrations that are available. So it works on Shopify, TikTok, Temu, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, everywhere. So it's pretty cool. So thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.